Welcome back to another video. Today we got a smoking deal on some Ryobi batteries. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews, to deals. Yes, if you guys see this video, today's Saturday, December 7th. Make sure you check out this deal out if you're looking for some Ryobi batteries. I did get some the battery deal that they had, the 3 amp hour batteries for $46.75 and the 9 amp hour battery for $32.25. So it was a total of $79. I'll show you guys how to get this deal. Stay tuned. Also, don't forget to subscribe for future deals like this. So I'll show you guys how to do it right now. Here you're gonna choose a store. It's what is this? 4858 MT Peasants. Make this your store. Right, Ryobi battery. Okay, we got the holiday bundle here. $129. In cart. Here's a 9 amp hour battery. In cart. Alright, cart total $79. Alright, basically that's the way for you to get this deal. As you guys see here, definitely a smoking deal. The way, and then you check out, what you put is you check out, and then you check out as a guest, and then just fill all your information here. Fill all your information there. Then your credit card number and everything. Make sure you put the shipping address to your house, so you get it with your in your house. And yeah, it's not, see, this deal is basically by zip code, so it's only for this zip code. I pretty much couldn't get it. You can't really get it to the store, so you would have to have it, because you already have the store, as in, you know, whatever that store is. So you have to have it shipped to your house. It is going to go up on tax, or it might go down, just depending on your tax. It says shipping estimated sales tax. This might go up a little bit, maybe 86, 89, or $80, 82, just depending on where you live. Mine was $7.27 as in sales tax, because we have high sales tax here. Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you guys. If you want to do this a second time, see what I noticed, that I tried doing it at the other browser and it wouldn't let me do it a second time. So I do have a Mac, so I went to the Safari. Originally I did it on the Safari web browser, and then now I'm doing it on the Chromebook. So now it's gonna let me, somehow it didn't let me do it again on the Safari, but it is letting me do it on the Chromebook, or the Chrome app, the browser app. So if you want to do it twice, maybe check out a different computer or a different program, internet program, so if you want to do it twice. But yeah, definitely this is the deal here. It's not fake, it is real, and it's happening right now. So I'm going to try to upload this video as soon as possible. So stay tuned. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews, to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.